This tutorial will walk you through the proper steps for delivery, unpacking, and setup of the Reverie 3EM. This tutorial may also be used for the setup of the Reverie 2EM, 3E Tech, and other custom manufactured Reverie models. There should be enough room available to unbox and assemble the power base. Also, be sure that the path to the room in which the power base will be carried is clear and open, ensuring that nothing will be broken. Keep the adjustable foundation in the box while moving it. Make sure 2 people are present at all times to avoid injury. Carry the power base to the customer's desired location with one hand supporting the bottom of the box and the other hand stabilizing the top of the box. Once the box is flat on the floor, cut the packing band surrounding the base along with any tape. Remove the top of the box. In the undercarriage of the base, you'll find all accessories and tools necessary to complete power base assembly. Set the boxes aside. Discard any styrofoam pieces packed with the base. Open the accessory boxes. Locate the owner's manual for a complete list of parts. Remove the 4 legs from the box labeled legs. Attach them to the power base by threading them in a clockwise direction into the threaded holes in the frame. Be sure to tighten the legs securely with your hands. Leave no space between the leg and the frame. Do not over-tighten the legs. Remove and extend the power cord from the frame. Next, you'll want to plug in the power cord. Locate the control box of the power base and remove the battery cover. Insert the 2 alkaline 9-volt batteries and replace the cover. Locate the remote and install the batteries. The remote that comes with the adjustable power base is already paired to the power base. Should you need to pair the 2 bases of a split king to a single remote, you may do so now. Press the Learn button on the control box of the base you wish to pair with the remote until it illuminates with a green light. When the light turns green, press any button on the remote and release. Once the Learn button flashes green, it's paired to the remote. Next, carefully flip the frame over, using 2 people. Be sure not to rest the base on its side leaning on the legs at any time. Once the base is flipped, remove the remaining plastic by pulling it off and away from the remaining hardware. Attach the center retainer bar to the foot of the bed. Using the Allen wrench provided, loosen the hardware already attached to the base. Once it's loosened, attach the retainer bar and secure it by tightening the hardware with the Allen wrench. Don't forget to plug in the power cord. Then, using the remote, test the functions of the power base. For further assistance, contact Reverie Customer Service at 1-800-973-8374 or customerservice@reverie.com.